But the way that data is collected and how you want to turn it into knowledge is often very bespoke to a particular site. Right? The things they're building and the way they build them is unique to them. So when we look at BI tools, one of the things that's always a question of, do you integrate a build your own business intelligence suite inside of the product? It's expensive to do that. You have to charge the customer a lot more money for that. You get to capture the value side of the house. Or is there a system that's already utilized inside of that facility that we can just leverage? So we try to do the kind of give both options for factories as best we can. But more often than not today, what we're finding, especially as you get into larger facilities, they already have their own BI tools. They would prefer to use them themselves. And anything PICO creates is just more money on top of something that they didn't really want in the first place. We're not going to create a better visualization system than Microsoft is. We have the information and we can make it extremely easy to use. That's how our kind of view of it is. So instead of creating another, way to display a line graph, we use the ones that are already out there that do it really well. So whether it's Tableau, Power BI, you pick your tool of choice. The ability to then feed it data in easy to use tables and make it so that any person on the planet has the ability to view that information, that's our ultimate goal.